guys, Josephine here doing a review of this little acrylic egg timer. And before we get started, can you guys please subscribe? It will help me out so much. Thank you. I always boil my eggs this way. I just got used to doing it and been doing it this way for years. To me, it's just easier using this little gadget, perfect every time and never fails. And today we're doing it together so I can show you how it works. You always start off with them both together at the same time, placing the timer in the cold water along with the eggs. If you don't do it this way, it's not going to work. I guess for it to get the correct reading, it needs to stay in the water the whole time, gradually getting hot. And for today's demonstration, we're actually going to be making soft-boiled, medium-boiled, and hard-boiled eggs. I always make an ice bath for the eggs because I find that it makes the shell easier to peel. Slowly but surely, you will start to notice a dark ring around the outside of the egg timer that will grow and expand, reaching each point to let you know when the eggs are done. And it'll reach up to the line right there real soon to be soft. Okay, so it's basically right at the soft point. So let me take one out to see the soft. Put it right into the cold bath. Okay, it's peeled. It's a soft one. Yay! It really is a soft one. And we'll wait for the medium, and I'll take that one out. Okay, so now let's look at this one. It is right at the medium. So let's take one out. Let's see what the medium's gonna be like. Okay, and this was the medium. Let's see what this looks like. Like, wow. Literally a perfect medium. Perfect. I mean, really, is this gadget cool or what? And right now, we gotta say, oh, it's still not all right, so it's not hard yet. Wanna see how it's gonna turn in? All right. Okay, let's check now. Okay, and now, oh, I think it's ready. Yep, it's all black. It's all ready. I mean, I don't put this in the bath. I just take it out. You see how that's the way it looks when it's all hard boiled. So I just like let it out dry naturally like that. I think if you go from extreme to put that into the hot water, if you put it into the cold water, it ends up cracking. So you don't want to do that. Take it out, wash it, don't put it in the cold bath, and don't let it sit in water because it will crack then. Okay, and this is the hard boiled. The perfect hard boiled. And there you go, guys. The perfect egg timer for perfect eggs. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're looking to buy one like this for yourself, I have a link for you from Amazon right in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks, guys.